Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for maximizing your smartphone's capabilities. In today's video, we'll show you how to automatically add events to your phone's calendar. So let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, go to the Play Store and type Facebook in the search bar. Step 2. Look for the white F with a white background and tap on it. Then, tap on Install to download and install the app. Step 3. Open the Facebook app and sign into your account. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner to open the side menu. Step 5. In the side menu, tap on Events. Step 6. Tap on the calendar icon next to the plus icon to access your calendar settings. Step 7. Tap on the gear icon to access additional options. Step 8. Look for Add Events to Calendar and tap on it to enable this feature if it's turned off. Congratulations! You've successfully set up automatic event syncing with your phone's calendar. Now, whenever you RSVP or show interest in an event on Facebook, it will automatically be added to your calendar. Remember, you can customize the appearance of the event notifications by selecting your preferred picture, solid color, or even a slideshow of your choice. And that's it. Now you can effortlessly keep track of all your Facebook events directly from your phone's calendar. No need to manually add them anymore. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, happy event planning.